An affidavit of succession, there's two types actually. There's an affidavit of succession for personal property, and there's an affidavit of succession for real estate. And what those are have to do with small estates. So a lot of times there may be an estate with just one asset in it, and it's like a bank account or a piece of personal property that's worth less than $50,000. That'd be considered a small estate. But we can prepare an affidavit of succession for personal property. One of the minimum requirements is that it has to be at least 30 days from the date the decedent passed away before we can prepare one of those. Now, if there's a piece of real estate that is worth less than $75,000 after all debts considered, then we can prepare an affidavit of real property, affidavit of succession for real property. And what we do with that is we prepare the affidavit, all the heirs sign it, and we file that with the judge. That goes to the judge along with a death certificate, a tax roll, and a request to get a certified copy of the affidavit. If everything looks good to the judge, then they send us back a certified copy of that affidavit of succession, and we record that for you with the recorder's office in the county in which the real estate's located. One little drawback to that is that the decedent has to have been deceased for at least 6 months. So that's one little drawback, but if all the heirs don't mind waiting, it's certainly an option.